Okay, BHMS April 2018. Okay, it is of second batch. Okay, actually 17 we have just taken first exam. Okay, November 2017. Okay, because 15-16 was the 16-17 was the first batch admission. Okay, after that we have taken this first exam. Okay, April 2018, homeopathic pharmacy, full marks 80, total time 3 hours. Okay, the figure in the margin indicates marks for the question. Answer all questions. Okay, in some university there is option. Okay, in some university there is option like you can only answer like 6 questions are there. You can answer only 5. Okay, but like in our university there is no option like that. Okay, you have to attempt all the questions. Okay, out of 5 you have to attempt 4, or out of 6 you have to attempt 5, like this type of things are there. Okay, answer the question in the point only. Okay, means it should not just disturb your subject. Okay, which subject question is on related with which subject, that you have to follow. Okay, then okay, uh, question number 1. Okay, 1A, what is an ideal vehicle? Mention the types of vehicle. Okay, so can you write this after preparation? Very simple question. Okay, you have to write the definition. Okay, then you have to mention the different types. Okay, like solid vehicles, semi-solid vehicles, and liquid vehicles. Okay, it is long question, that's why you have to explain. Okay, like just give 5 example of each. Okay, like solid vehicle, liquid vehicle, and semi-solid vehicle. And also you have to just define key what is solid vehicle. It is its state is solid. Okay, liquid, then its state is liquid, and semi-solid its state is semi-solid. Okay, so like that you have to explain. Then okay, is it okay? First question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anything you want to ask, like you have any doubt in this first question?
सर हेलो
बोलो
सर, ये आइडियल व्हीकल होगा तो उसमें व्हीकल तो बताएंगे कि व्हीकल कौन कौन से हैं, लेकिन
तो
सर आइडियल व्हीकल किसके लिए,
सेम
किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे?
आइडियल व्हीकल का ही डिफिनेशन है ना? मींस आइडियल व्हीकल
नहीं नहीं, जैसे आइडियल मींस ड्रग्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आइडियल मान रहा है वो?
आइडियल मींस व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ ए व्हीकल, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या क्या है?
नहीं, वो तो व्हीकल का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लिखेंगे ना, वो तो अगर व्हीकल पूछता तो, लेकिन आइडियल व्हीकल किस बिहाफ पे आइडियल है वो नहीं पता है ना सर।
इम्प्योर व्हीकल भी हो सकता है कि नहीं?
हाँ, वो तो हो सकता है।
तो ये आइडियल व्हीकल प्योर व्हीकल है।
हाँ, वही मतलब मैं पूछना चाह रहा था कि किस बेसिस पे आइडियल होगा वो।
हाँ, मींस प्योर, विच फॉलो द डेफिनेशन, दैट इज आइडियल व्हीकल। डेफिनेशन को जो फॉलो करता है कि इट शुड बी न्यूट्रल, ओके, देन इट शुड बी प्योर, ओके, एंड इट शुड नॉट रिएक्ट विथ एनी ड्रग्स। ओके, जो जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दिया हुआ है ना, उसको फॉलो करता है, तो वो है आइडियल व्हीकल, उसका डेफिनेशन चाहिए, है ना? हाँ। Then describe the preparation of Arnica lotion. Okay, any doubt? कुछ पूछना है इसमें? Hello. Okay, now you can write na answer of this. I know you are not prepared now. Okay, but like means you can prepare. You don't need like some extra things. Directly you will get this answer in your book. Okay, like that. That's I'm asking. Okay, I'm not asking now you answer me. Okay, so is it okay na this question?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर सर इसमें क्या वो लोशन का ही पूरा मेथड लिख देंगे क्या?
पूरा मेथोडोलॉजी लिखना है ना, लोशन क्या होता है। नहीं, तो जहां पर व्हीकल ड्रग लिखा है ना, गिवन ड्रग, वहां पर जस्ट गिवन ड्रग की जगह अर्निका लिखना है ना? क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी हो सकता है, डिस्क्राइब द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कैलेंडुला लोशन, है ना? हुआ
सर
समझ? बोलो।
सर एक और पूछना था, वो ग्लिसरॉल वाले में ये ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च को ना कह रहे थे कि इट इज फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट, तो सर वो ग्लिसरॉल में लिखा हुआ था।
पेज
सर
नंबर,
वो
पेज नंबर पे है, अभी बता सकते हो पेज नंबर?
यस सर, रुकिए। 261 261 में
261
उसमें लिखा था इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट, तो सर वो ऑइंटमेंट में आएगा ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च या फिर ग्लिसरॉल में?
ग्लिसरॉल, ग्लिसरॉल ही होगा। 261 में कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है?
ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च के अंदर फर्स्ट पॉइंट।
ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च के अंदर, ओके। इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट प्रिपेयर्ड इन द फॉलोइंग मैनर, है ना। हाँ, ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च ऑइंटमेंट में आ सकता है, ग्लिसरॉल नहीं आएगा। ग्लिसरॉल इज डिफरेंट थिंग, है ना। इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट प्रिपेयर्ड इन द फॉलोइंग मैनर, है ना। लेकिन अभी तक ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा है। अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो डायरेक्ट अलग से ही ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च का शॉर्ट नोट पूछा है, ठीक है। तो अगर ऑइंटमेंट पूछता है तो केवल उतना ही लिखना है जो दिया हुआ है ना। इसको एक्स्ट्रा उस पर ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना। हाँ, ये बोल सकते हो कि इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट, ठीक है ना। लेकिन इसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। इसके लिए अगर क्वेश्चन आएगा तो सेपरेट क्वेश्चन आएगा, ठीक है ना। ठीक है ना। क्योंकि और हाँ, ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है ना, तो वो हो जाता है जब आप प्रैक्टिकल जब परफॉर्म करते हो, है ना। तो प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करके जब लिखते हो तो वो भी इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1.5 पेज, ओके। तो सेम चीज यहाँ लिखना है ना। एक्चुअली मैंने अभी प्रैक्टिकल कराया नहीं है ना, इसलिए थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को और लग रहा है, ओके। अगर प्रैक्टिकल कर
मोलानिन ऑयल में ना उसमें ग्लिसरीन यूज करते हैं, तो फिर वो ग्लाइसरॉल्स में आ जाएगा?
किसमें?
ये मोलानिन ऑयल में।
पेज नंबर
267 में
267
ऑयल ऑफ
प्लास्टर, ओके। ऑयल मूलियन, ओके। इसमें ना
उस लिखा है उसमें सॉल्वेंट्स आर यूज्ड, ग्लिसरॉल, अल्कोहल, ये सब, तो फिर
हाँ, तो अलग अलग सॉल्वेंट यूज किया जाता है ना। सॉल्वेंट यूज्ड आर, कौन कौन सा सॉल्वेंट यूज किया है? तो ओके, ऑयल मूलियन होता है वो, लाइक इट वर्क्स एज ए ड्रग, ओके। क्योंकि ये तेल है, अलग है, ठीक है ना। ये इसका, इसके बारे में मटेरिया मेडिका में भी बाद में पढ़ोगे, ओके। द फ्लावर एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑफ विस्कम हेल्प्स ऑफ फैमिली, ओके। देन मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन। अब आप जिसमें डालोगे इसको वो ये वो बन जाएगा, नहीं समझे? जैसे
हाँ,
मैंने,
वो तो हम देखे थे
हाँ
कि
हाँ
लाइक एक ड्रग बहुत सारा है, ग्लिसरॉल भी बनता है,
हाँ
लोशन भी बनता है, ये सब।
हाँ, लाइक अर्निका, अर्निका का ऑइंटमेंट भी बन सकता है, अर्निका का लोशन भी बन सकता है, ओके। यू कैन प्रिपेयर अर्निका ग्लिसरॉल, यू कैन प्रिपेयर अर्निका लिनीमेंट, ओके। अंडरस्टैंड? तो
यस
वैसा ही
सर।
है, जो आप डालोगे उसके हिसाब से बनेगा, ठीक है ना।
अच्छा,
क्लियर है?
मतलब ये ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च ग्लिसरॉल ही होगा, ऑइंटमेंट में नहीं आएगा?
ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च फिर ऑइंटमेंट में आएगा, जब इसमें लिखा हुआ है ना इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट।
अच्छा, ठीक
ग्लिसरॉल
है।
ऑफ स्टार्च लिखा है ना।
यस सर।
लेकिन अभी तक ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं है, डायरेक्ट पूछा है, ओके। शॉर्ट नोट ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च, है ना। तो हाँ, कंफ्यूजन उस समय ये हो जाता है कि इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लिसरॉल, इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च लिख सकते हो, है ना। फिर आगे जो भी है उसमें, है ना, वो लिख सकते हो, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
कुछ डाउट है और? क्योंकि पहला लाइन लिखा हुआ है इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट, ओके। लेकिन नाम दिया हुआ है ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च, इसलिए उसने इसको ग्लिसरॉल के बाद दे दिया है कि नहीं? ठीक है, ओके। 2 मिनट ना।
सर हेलो।
बोलो।
सर ये ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च उसके टेक्सचर के बेसिस पे तो ऑइंटमेंट कह सकते हैं, मतलब फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट टेक्सचर के बेसिस पे भी तो हो सकता है, मतलब क्योंकि प्रिपरेशन तो मैं तो ग्लिसरॉल ही मेन यूज हो रहा है ना, ग्लिसरॉल
मेनली यूज हो रहा है ना,
तो
लेकिन
इस
यहाँ
वजह से
लिखा हुआ है ना। एक
नहीं,
बार
क्योंकि
एक बार
फॉर्म
हम
ऑफ
लोग,
ऑइंटमेंट ये टेक्सचर के बेसिस पे भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि होगा ग्लिसरॉल लेकिन टेक्सचर प्रोवाइड करता होगा ऑइंटमेंट की तरह, इस वजह से ऑइंटमेंट बोल रहे होंगे।
हाँ ये हो सकता है ना।
हाँ इस वजह से,
हम्म
इस वजह से उसको ऑइंटमेंट बोल, लेकिन होगा वो पार्ट ग्लिसरॉल का ही ना सर ऐसे।
हाँ है ना, लेकिन अगर ये लिखा है कि इट इज ए फॉर्म ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट है ना, तो जो लिखा है वो तो लिखना पड़ेगा, वैसा ही लिखना पड़ेगा। ओके।
हाँ मतलब वही चीज है, मतलब टेक्सचर के बेस पे हो सकता है, लेकिन वैसे तो वो
हम्म
ग्लिसरॉल का ही पार्ट होगा ना, ऐसे पूछ रहा था।
2 मिनट मुझे, तो कि जस्ट थ्योरी का है इसका। एलोपैथिक फार्मेसी रजिस्ट्रेशन बुक, HPI फार्मेसी एक्ट। 2 मिनट में 2 मिनट द फाइजन एक्ट, द स्टेटस ऑफ होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन, स्टेटस 7 कार्डिनल प्रिंसिपल्स, TC plus homeopathic pharmacy legislation and homeopathic pharmacy syllabus. HPI theory। 2 मिनट मुझे सर्च करने दो। कंट्रोल ग्लिसरॉल, ग्लिसरॉल ग्लिसरॉल। 2 मिनट ना। ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च, ओके, HPI में दिया हुआ है। ग्लिसरॉल ऑफ स्टार्च इज प्रिपेयर्ड एज फॉलोज। टेक 1 part of starch and mix it with 8 part of glycerin, rub together till intimately mixed, transfer the mixture to porcelain dish, apply heat gradually, okay, ranging to the 116 degree and stir constantly till the starch particles are completely broken and jelly like preparation is made। ओके, तो यहाँ कहीं भी नहीं दिया है कि इट इज लाइक ऑइंटमेंट और इट इज लाइक ग्लिसरॉल, है ना, जस्ट प्रिपरेशन दिया है ना। लेकिन बुक में दिया है तो लिख सकते हो। अगर HPI में कहीं ऐसा दिया रहता कि इट इज लाइक ऑइंटमेंट और इट इज लाइक ग्लिसरॉल, है ना,
यस सर।
है ना, तो यहाँ तो दिया नहीं है HPI में, तो ठीक है, दिया है बुक में मंडल एंड मंडल में, तो यू कैन राइट, ओके, बिकॉज यू कैन गिव अ रेफरेंस इफ समबडी विल आस्क, ओके, तो यू कैन गिव अ रेफरेंस। ओके, मैं सोच रहा था कि अगर HPI में दिया हो तो और ज्यादा अच्छा हो, लेकिन यहाँ दिया नहीं है, ठीक है ना।
यस सर।
ओके, देन 2 minutes, 1 more। चैप्टर नंबर 11 ना, वेहिकल। Okay, just see properties of ideal vehicle. Okay, chemically neutral. Okay, therapeutically inert. It has no medicinal property of its own. It should be capable of carrying the dynamic power of a drug. Okay, तो question हमेशा normally what is vehicle भी आ सकता है, what is ideal vehicle भी। Okay, तो confuse नहीं होना है। Okay, if question will be like ideal vehicle, same answer is there। Okay, means all these properties should be there। Okay, or otherwise you can write the definition of vehicle and just आइडियल vehicle, these are the properties of ideal vehicle, 1 2 3 4 करके भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है। ओके, डन। नेक्स्ट, राइट इन शॉर्ट ऑन द फॉलोइंग। यू कैन सी स्क्रीन ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write in short on the following. Okay, drug proving. Okay, you have to write 4 marks question of drug proving. Can you write or not? Drug proving, you have to not explain in detail, at least minimum. Okay, 1 or 1.5 page you have to write. Okay, the definition. Okay, then what are the methodologies? Okay, means what are the points? Okay, like quality of drug. Okay, what are the who will be the means persons, okay, in this drug proving, and what is the methodology, that you have to explain in a just 4 5 line. Okay, with the definition. Okay, then medicine. Okay, what is medicine? Okay, anyone, can you answer what is medicine? I don't need exact answer. Okay, just keep what you understood. What is medicine? Drug, medicine and remedy. Medicine is that which is indicated for particular disease, that is called as a medicine. Okay, indication. Okay, then next question is remedy. Remedy, when you have given that particular medicine, okay, and the cure took place, then after that you can tell for the particular disease this is the remedy. Okay, like for diabetes mellitus, or for like COVID. Okay, anything, if you have given, and if treatment, after treatment patient become well, okay, then you can say it is a remedy. Okay, then doctrine of signature with example. Okay, now question is like doctrine of signature with example. How many example you will write? Hello, suppose this question will come, how many example you will write?
Sir, one example.
वन एग्जाम्पल तो कितना होगा? एक एग्जाम्पल लिखोगे तो आधा पेज भी नहीं होगा।
सर, क्योंकि यहाँ लिखा हुआ है डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सिग्नेचर विद एग्जांपल।
तो डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सिग्नेचर का डेफिनेशन कितना बड़ा है, देखा है बुक?
हाँ सर, छोटा तो है, लेकिन एग्जांपल्स नहीं लिखा सर, प्लूरल होता तो ऐसा लग रहा है। ठीक
है ना? But just okay, you can write minimum 2 example, because it depends upon your handwriting also. Okay, but okay, minimum 2 example, otherwise you will just put half page. Okay, definition will come in 2 line. Okay, then one example will come in approximately half page. Okay, so you are not feeling the, okay, because here I told you in subjective question quantity is important. Okay, because you have to just change yourself as per द मार्क्स। ओके, अगर सेम क्वेश्चन ऊपर आ जाए 8 मार्क्स में, है ना, चलो ठीक है, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, जो भी जिसने भी क्वेश्चन दिया है उसका मिस्टेक है ना, तो डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सिग्नेचर विद एग्जांपल करके 8 मार्क्स में क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो क्या करोगे? व्हाट यू विल डू?
सर, फिर तो ज्यादा लिखना पड़ेंगे सर।
हाँ, तो वो ओके, तो जस्ट यू हैव टू चेंज योर सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू द मार्क्स गिवन इन द राइट साइड। ओके, जस्ट डोंट प्रेजुडाइज योर सेल्फ कि हाँ इसका इतना ही लिखना है। ओके, just okay, listen these things, because I have seen, okay, many of student, okay, means like they know, okay, like what is pharmacopoeia 2 line they have written. Okay, so means in only 5 page total paper is completed, 1 2 3 4 5 page total paper is completed. Okay, it is not like that they have left question paper questions. Okay, they have written answer of all the questions, but they have not written as per the marks. Okay, and that because of that sometimes it happens they are not passing. Okay, just 8 marks question they have written 5 lines. Okay, so who will give them marks? The problem is that quantity. Okay, so just be careful about these things. Okay, roll number 48. Roll number 48. Okay, next is, okay, so just be careful about the markings. Okay, and there is not like that ki just do a competition in exam hall of who can take maximum supplementary. Okay, that is also not like ki just you will feel supplementary writing anything. Okay, means you have to balance yourself. Okay, writing your answer paper presentation just shows your balance of mind, how much balanced you are in your exam. Okay, next question is give the common name and parts used of the following drugs. Okay, so name, give the common name and parts used of the following drugs. Aconite nipalis. Which part is used? Do you remember? Hello. Belladonna. Hello. Next, Vomika.
Seeds.
Okay. Opium.
Seeds.
Opium. I
नहीं सर,
told
गमी जूस होता है सर ओपीएम में use
gummy juice. Okay, I told when I was teaching in class. There are some exception. At least remember them. Okay, because what we expect actually that is not okay. So these are like important questions. Okay, many times I have seen this opium and nux vomica in question papers. Which part is used? Okay, sometimes question is also asked like common name. Okay, common name and which parts are used. Okay, common name 1 marks you will get. Which part is used? Write 1 mark. Okay, the total 2 marks. Okay, so it is like mathematic question. Okay, if all means common name and parts used is correct for all, you can get 8 by full 8 marks. Okay, in this it is just like an objective question paper. Okay, so remember this. Next is question number 4. Okay, define prescription. Write a prescription for a baby suffering from diarrhea. Okay, understood? Okay, that's why I have told you many examples. Okay, means now what will be the confusion? Okay, just you tell what may be the confusion here. Define prescription. Okay, you can write definition of prescription. Okay, there is no problem. Then write a prescription. Okay, define prescription. Actually it is 8 marks. Then you will write the definition of prescription. Then you will write the parts of prescription. Okay, superscription, inscription, subscription and signature. Okay, done. Now this last question is not more than 3 marks. Okay, maximum 2 or 3 marks. Okay, write a prescription for a baby suffering from diarrhea. Okay, so what may be the problems? Just see and tell the problem.
सर डायरिया का अगेंस्ट ड्रग्स कौन से यूज होंगे पता नहीं।
Okay, so that is one problem. Okay, ki, right, like here nothing is given. Okay, ki, which drug you will use, which potency you will use. Okay, so now you can use any licorice remedy what you use. You feel okay, like nux vomica, arsenicalbum, podophyllum. Okay, anything. Okay, that will not be just judged. Okay, nobody will judge your like your drug. Okay, what drug potency also nobody will judge. Okay, you can write 30 potency, 200 potency. Okay, normally you try to write 30 potency. Okay, so nobody will judge. Okay, now what will be the order of your prescription? Properly you have written superscription, inscription, subscription and signature. Okay, and if you have a proper presentation like this much is superscription, this much is subscription, this much is inscription and this much is signature. Okay, if you will just properly indicate also. Okay, so it will just give you a good marks. Okay, so here there is no problem of drug what you are using. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, baby name you can write XYZ. Okay, or baby of XYZ. Okay, normally babies, okay, just newly born babies, they are not given name. Okay, they are given name of their mother. Okay, like baby of this, baby of that. Okay, like that. Okay, so if you can write XYZ. Okay, then you can just give a fake address, you can give a fake registration number. Okay, because nothing is given here. Understood? So that keep in your mind. Okay, and nobody will judge, but things, okay, where in superscription which part is there, in inscription which part is there, in signature which parts are there, that will be judged. Okay, if you will like write registration number first, okay, that will be judged. Okay, if you will write the means like what advice you are giving to your patient or patient's mother, okay, that will be judged. Okay, means in which part you have written. So just see this. Okay, don't means change the order and properly write the order of prescription. Okay, that is important. Understood? Okay, any doubt? Okay, what are the sources of homeopathic drug? Give proper examples. Okay, you can write, I told you examples maybe 3 to 5. Okay, how many sources? 9 sources are there. Okay, you will write 3 to 5 example of each. Okay. Then write short notes on the following. Okay, polycryst remedy. Okay, last time I think we have discussed about this polycryst remedy. Okay, so you understood what is HPI?
Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India.
Okay, so HPI means you have to write about short note about the homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India. Okay, the next C question is measurement of globules. You can do this. Okay, then glycerol. What is glycerol?
Vehicle.
What vehicle?
सर लिक्विड व्हीकल होगा.
Glycerol is a
Liquid vehicle.
so that you have to define it properly. Okay, it is a liquid vehicle. Okay, then you can write properties of molecular weight. Okay, if you remember properties of glycerol. Okay, properties of glycerol you can remember very easily. Okay, so okay, but if you remember molecular weight, that also you can write. Okay, chemical properties you can write. Okay, that is used for preparation of what, that you can write. Okay, so all these things just you have to make it like a 4 marks. Okay, then distinguish between the following. Okay, this question is the, okay, what is the difference? Pharmacy and pharmacopoeia. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
How many minimum, how many like you will write, how many difference you will write? Hello? Two difference.
Four, sir.
Okay, minimum 4. We just see right side, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay, questions are 2, A and B. Each question has 4 marks, so at least minimum write 4. Okay, because each, now it is not of 2 marks. Okay, just see the right side. Okay, it is one question. A is pharmacy and pharmacopoeia is 4 marks. Okay, question B, maceration and percolation, it is also of 4 marks. Okay, I told just you have to change your mind setup according to the marks given on right side. Okay, so okay, and don't write like it is a subjective question. Properly in between you just draw a line. One side you write pharmacy, one side write pharmacopoeia, point wise 1 2. Okay, and just try to write it in opposite. Okay, like pharmacy, this is pharmacy definition, pharmacopoeia it is a book. Okay, don't write like one is going to east and other is going to west. Okay, means there is no relation between point 1 of first pharmacy and point 1 of pharmacopoeia. Don't write like that. Okay, there should be some relation. Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you are writing the difference. Okay, understood? If you are writing a difference, at least you should have some relation. इसमें होता है, इसमें नहीं होता है. Okay, like that. Okay, or otherwise same thing. You point 1 you can write definition of pharmacy. Point 1 you can write definition of pharmacopoeia. Understood or not? Okay, point 4 you can give example. Okay, of pharmacy you can give example of pharmacopoeia. Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So maceration and percolation also you can write, na? Okay, so in this question paper you have any doubt, anything, means how to write or anything? I told in that prescription writing how you have to write. Nobody will judge your drug and its potency. Okay, they will see the pro forma, how properly in pro forma you have written all the things or not. Okay, so should we go ahead?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now BHMS September 2018. Okay, this is the supplementary exam of September. This is, I think, same question. No. Okay, this is the September exam. Okay, September 2018 homeopathic pharmacy, again of the same university. Okay, Nehu Northeast Hill University. Anywhere you will find the university name. Okay, till now I have not seen in any university. Okay, just they give the coding. Somewhere it is written Godavari, somewhere written it is Narmada. Okay, somewhere it is written Brahmaputra. Okay, I have not seen any thing there, means it is like university name is there. Okay, just they have their own coding system. Okay, they understand this question paper is from our university. Okay, BHMS September 2018 homeopathic pharmacy, full marks. Okay, the figure same thing. Okay, then answer the question in point wise. Okay, what is quality control in homeopathy? Explain quality control of raw materials in detail. Okay, so we have studied or not quality control chapter quality?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just you have to explain and you have to explain in detail about the raw materials. Okay, points are there if you remember 6 points. Okay, so that you have to explain. Any doubt? Next is the discuss the old Hahnemannian method of preparation of medicine. What is the basis of classification? What are the basis of classification? Two things are there. One is to content, juice content. Okay, what is the second? Okay, just see. Okay, next is the right note of the following: doctrine of signature, prescription writing, official sampling, rectified spirit. Any question? Means you cannot write any doubt, you are not getting answer of these questions. Just see and tell. Any question? Okay, should we go ahead? Next question.
सर हेलो
बोलो
सर, वो ग्लिसरॉल एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशन में भी है और व्हीकल्स में भी है, तो कहाँ के लिखेंगे सर? ये समझ में नहीं आया, तो पहले वाले पेपर में था।
ग्लिसरॉल एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशन में है, लेकिन कैसे यूज होता है ग्लिसरॉल एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशन? चैप्टर से मतलब ही नहीं है, ग्लिसरॉल का नॉर्मल यूज लिखो।
नहीं सर, वो नहीं कह रहा था, जैसे कई चैप्टर्स में दिया है ना, व्हीकल में भी दिया है, और भी तो क्या
तो
कहाँ
क्या
से लिखेंगे?
तो आंसर क्या पहला आंसर ऐसे लिखते हो क्या कि दिस आंसर इज फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, ऐसे लिखते हो क्या?
नहीं नहीं सर, नहीं ऐसे नहीं कह रहा हूँ सर, जैसे
और
ये पूछ
हाँ,
रहा था।
मैं समझ गया। ओके, ठीक है।
हाँ।
अगर मैं ये करता हूँ कि सारे चैप्टर्स के हेडिंग हटा के मैं पूरा बुक को थ्योरिकल बुक बना देता हूँ, तो कहाँ से लिखोगे? समझ रहे हो ना?
हाँ सर, समझ गया सर।
है ना, चैप्टर का टॉपिक का नाम में हटा,
कंबाइन।
हाँ, कंबाइन करके लिखना। अगर मैं चैप्टर, हाँ, चैप्टर का हेडिंग हटा दूं और चैप्टर का टॉपिक का नाम हटा दूं, है ना, तो जैसे देखो थ्योरी फार्मेकोपी अगर HPL में दिया है, वहां कोई उसने चैप्टर वाइज किया है क्या? जो हमने HPI, जस्ट वी हैव सीन द HPI ना, होम्योपैथिक फार्मेकोपी ऑफ इंडिया, है ना, तो वहां जो थ्योरी पार्ट दिया है, वहां कहीं उन्होंने चैप्टर वाइज डिफरेंस किया है किसी चीज में?
नहीं सर,
उन्होंने जस्ट एक थ्योरी पार्ट दे दिया है कि इतनी चीजें होम्योपैथिक फार्मेसी में यूज होता है ना, तो वही है, उसमें जो याद हो उतना लिखना है। दोनों मिक्स है, दोनों जगह दिया है वो मैं समझ रहा हूँ, है ना, कि व्हीकल्स, जो सारे व्हीकल्स हैं वो व्हीकल चैप्टर में भी है, एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशन चैप्टर में भी है ना, तो जो है ना, दोनों में लगभग सब कॉमन ही दिया हुआ है, ठीक है ना, तो जितना याद हो पाए उतना ही लिखना है ना। जैसे कुछ चीजें हैं मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कंफर्म नहीं है कि ये याद रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, कुछ चीजें हैं उसका केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर याद है नहीं है, लेकिन बाकी चीजें जैसे मेनली यू हैव टू कन्फाइन योरसेल्फ टू यूज, ओके, बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग द प्रोफेशनल कोर्स, है ना, तो यूज, पब्लिक यूज क्या है, व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग दिस, तो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली इट्स यूज, तो कहीं भी यूज नहीं भूलना है ना, तो कोई भी हो, चाहे व्हीकल्स हो, कुछ भी हो, यूज हमेशा याद रखना है। वाइवा में भी मैंने देखा है जितने एग्जामिनर्स आते हैं, दे ऑलवेज आस्क द यूज, ओके, व्हाट इज यूज, बिकॉज at last you will go to the field, okay, in the society, and you will just use it on persons, okay, so if you don't know the use, what is the use of studying, understand, है ना, तो ये चीज ध्यान रखना है। कहीं भी कुछ भी लिख रहे हो, चाहे मेसेरेशन, परकोलेशन, कुछ भी लिख रहे हो, एटलीस्ट अगर उसमें यूज पार्ट इज देयर, देन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट यूज पार्ट, है ना, क्योंकि वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। एट लास्ट, ओके, एट लास्ट दिस बुक want to just give you information ki what is the use of this in day-to-day life or the our medical life. Okay, ठीक है?
हाँ सर ठीक है.
Okay. तो यहाँ तक ठीक है ना? Question number 2. Okay, now question number 3 is visible or not?
Yes sir, visible.
Okay, write definition of the following. Okay, definition Poison Act 1919. Okay, बहुत छोटा सा लिखना है. क्या लिखोगे? Already I have given. Okay, then don't try to write that much. Okay, just it is a Poison Act 1919. Okay, it deals with the study. Okay, action of the poisonous substances used in medicines or used in the medical science. Okay, तो ऐसे बस 1-2 लाइन लिखना है ना. ऑलरेडी बाकी मैंने पूरा थ्योरी दे दिया है, लेकिन सब लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि अगर इस पे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आता है तो फिर थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना? लेकिन अभी तक मैंने देखा नहीं है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, ऐसे शॉर्ट नोट ही आता है. पॉइजन एक्ट 1919. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द ऑइनमेंट. ओके, ऑइनमेंट यू कैन राइट. ऑइनमेंट अभी कुछ देर पहले आया था लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में, अर्निका ऑइनमेंट. डू यू रिमेम्बर? Okay, now you have to just write 2-line question answer. Okay, no suits. Okay, then semi-solid vehicle. Okay, just you write what is semi-solid vehicle. Okay, which are semi-solid in state, and you have to at least write 3 to 5 examples. Okay, उस एक लाइन का v value है definition का और 3 to 5 example का v value. Okay, no suits. Okay, where you feel like writing like no suit. What is no suit? You at least give example. Okay, like no source. Okay, they are the disease secretion. At least give 1, 2, 3 examples. Okay, means जहां example देने का लगे कि दिया जा सकता है, please. Okay, just don't leave. Okay, give example, because sometimes what theory you are writing there, okay, that is not so much definable, but the example is definable. Okay, क्या होता है कई बार examiner 100 question paper check करता है. Okay, answer paper they are checking. Okay, when you just write after definition, you write example, they understand कि हाँ this student has understood the meaning. Okay, he know, he has studied. Okay, क्योंकि उनको proper पता रहता है कि कितना पढ़ना है ना. They are, because if they will read each and every line of your, okay, so they need at least 5 to 6 days. Okay, and they don't have time. Okay, they just come in one day. Okay, just they check everything and they go. ठीक है ना? तो just means where like examiner can see, okay, that you have to presentation, you have to take care. Okay, okay, section 2, is it visible or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Discuss guidelines for drug proving as explained by Henneman in the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine. लिख लोगे? Hello. Can you write or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just question is shuffled. Shuffling, you understand, na? Okay, nothing is there. Just you have to write the drug proving. Okay, but you have to mention compulsory the what? Aphorisms. It is given in 6th edition of Organon of Medicine from aphorism number 105 to 1045, 105 to 145. Okay, इतना लिखा तो समझ जाएगा कि आपने Organon का reference लेके. Okay, बाकी everything you have to write what is given in your Mendel and Mendel book. Understood or not? Okay, but you have to start with that. Okay, it is given in aphorism this of 6th edition of Organon. Okay. The next is, what do you understand by potentization? Discuss its advantages. You can write. Okay, potentization, trituration, succussion. Write short notes of the following collection of the vegetable kingdom drugs. Okay, so that general rules of collection you have to write. Na? There is no need to write particular. Okay, but if you feel like you have time, okay, you can write some particular also. But first you have to give preference the general. Okay, general rules of collection. Okay, then if you have time, you can manage your timings. Okay, you can write 1, 2 particular also. Okay. Then HPI again, okay. Then pharmaconomy, you know. Drug strength, okay. Drug strength in old method or new method? Hello.
Old method.
कौन है old method? विशाल.
यस सर.
कौन बोला ओल्ड मेथड? सुधांशु, हिमांशु?
पता नहीं सर.
इतना जल्दी पता नहीं?
देखा नहीं सर मैंने.
अच्छा, राहुल. Okay, it is drug is, I told you many times, na, drug strength is new method, drug power is old method. Okay,
Yes,
remember this. Okay, don't do like that. Okay, means you know and you will just give a wrong answer. Okay, then define following. Okay, 2 marks question. What is Merck? M-A-R-K. Spelling is right or wrong? M-E-R-C or M-A-R-C?
गलत है सर. MERC होगा.
Confirm?
यस सर.
MERC.
ओके, तो क्या करोगे? आंसर नहीं लिखोगे, छोड़ के आ जाओगे?
नहीं सर, सही करके.
हाँ, है ना? You have to write, understand? Because I told ना कि these question papers, actually what happened, different university who give question paper, okay, like different professors from different university. Suppose Nehu has sent letter to, okay, like written to Shankar Dev University, okay, or suppose they have written to Rajiv Gandhi University, Bangalore, okay, कि this particular professor, okay, they have written कि we need one question paper of homeopathic pharmacy, kindly send, okay. So just they write in their own handwriting, okay, because it is a rule, okay. They will not type, they cannot type. They will write by their own handwriting and they send by post, okay, confidential post. And when it comes to Nehu, okay, their clerk used to type it, okay, and they just their personal printing press. All the university, they have their confidential printing press, okay. Any university, okay, they have their own personal printing press, okay, that they print it, okay. So like that, okay. So that's why sometimes these typological mistakes are by clerk, okay. So please understand, okay, and because sometimes it happens ki your exam center is now, to by luck your exam center is in our institute, okay, we are available here, okay. I have seen in different universities, okay, they have to go to 40-50 kilometer in different district or even different district also, okay, to give exam, because that place is their exam center, okay, and no one of their teaching faculties are there, okay, because that college invigilators are from different colleges, even they cannot enter in that exam section, okay. So you have to manage, okay, understood or not, okay, you have to just manage it, you have to clear it, okay, confirm it, and you can answer it, okay. So it is to our good luck ki we have our exam center in our institute, okay, so that concerned subject teachers, they come and they just correct your question paper also, okay, like spelling mistake is there, something is there, okay, but in many places it happens, okay. Then extemporaneous pharmacy. What is the meaning of extemporaneous pharmacy?
The medicines are prepared by the direction from the
physician, okay.
physician.
Okay, then strong alcohol, okay, you have to write the strong alcohol definition. Then what is the fluxon potency? Fluxon potency you have to write, okay. So this much is there, okay, 2 question papers, okay. Okay, rest is there, we will see later on, okay. So till here, any doubt? Anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay.